this one. Okay, down. We heard this like twice in a row right after we landed.
Look at her.
You can dance? You can dance? I got the feeling, trapped between the walls, underneath the sea. That other one really gets her going.
It's hysterical.
I did a DVD of her. Uh-oh. Touch the keys, little fingers.
What you doing, Dill? Dylan.
Hey.
What is that you're doing? He keeps putting his head down.
Do you want to see a silly video? Do you want to see? They love watching videos of themselves.
Oh yeah, they're in love with themselves.
Ready? He's like, I want the keyboard. I know better. What you got there, Hey Jay? Let's see. I got some videos for you. Okay, ready? Let's show Mommy this one. She'll laugh. Okay, ready? Go watch. I'm just going to take copies of all your pictures. Okay, ready? Who's that?
Hey, can you do a little dance for me if I put a special song on for you? Okay, ready?
He's like, look at me.
Do you see her? She goes. Don't eat it, Hayden. Who is that? He's dancing. He's dancing.
What you doing, Dill? That's right. That's how you dance. You dance like that in the hood.
Hayden's like, I'm checking his moves out. Come here.
She's like, you can get in a lot more mischief over here, buddy.
Stop for kitty snuggle.
Oh, hi, kitty snuggle. So cute.
And she'll be up and ready to go.
He's like, oh, perfect opportunity to pull her hair. Oh, hey, don't pull her hair.